Evaluate the following. Integral of open brackets 2x minus 3 close bracket dx. So this problem, it's a definite integral. For definite integral, they usually give the upper limit and the lower limit. So to evaluate this one, you have to first integrate the cofunction. So first you have to integrate the cofunction. So in this cofunction, we have x, 2x, which is raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 3x, the power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. Remember, constant always, it has a variable of x which is raised to power 0, because we know that any number raised to power 0 except 0 itself is equal to 1. Then we have to recognize the upper limit, which is 2, and the lower limit, -1. So this one will be 2x to the power 1 plus 1, which is 2 over 2 minus 3x to the power 0 plus 1, it's 1 over 1. Then 2, -1. So this one will be 2 into 2, it's 1. So it will be x to the power 2 minus 3x to the power 1, which is x. Upper limit, lower limit. So this is the integral. Now when you're dealing with the definite integral, you have to replace where there is x with the upper limit. Then you subtract with the expression replaced with the lower limit. So it will be x to the power 2. Let me just change the marker. So since we are saying where there is x, we have to replace the upper limit. So this one will be 2 to the power 2 minus 3. Then where there is x, you replace 2. So this one should subtract everything that is going to be, everything that is going to come from the lower limit. So lower limit, we have -1 to the power 2 minus 3 minus -1. So 2 to the power 2, it's 4 minus 6 minus -1 times -1, it's +1 plus 3. So this will be -2 minus 4. So if we simplify, this one will be equal to -6. -6. So what is required is just you to integrate the cofunction by adding the power to 1, then you divide the summation. Then after doing that, you have to replace where there is x with the upper limit. Then after replacing where there is x with the upper limit, you should also replace where there is x with lower limit. Then you subtract the 2. So after going through the whole process, you find that your answer will be -6.